name is ADRENALINE D Bazooka Prophet. Now, as a continuation of our video on top 20 chemistry examination questions for university or students, year 1, it can also be useful to every other students. And this is the episode 2, which is a continuation. Now, this question right here on the board is very, very easy. The question says the density of a 20% by mass ethylene glycol solution in water is 1.03 gram per ml. Find the molarity of the solution. Please, and please, for exam's sake, do not waste your time. Use this my shortcut, the Otequeta method, which is molarity is equal to percentage by mass of the given substance multiplied by density times 10 over molar mass, and that the molar mass of the ethylene glycol, which is O2, is equal to as 2 times 12, which is 2 times the relative atomic mass of carbon, plus 6 plus 2 times 16, let's say 2 times 16, so which is 24 plus 6 plus 32, altogether should give me 62 gram per mole. So what do we do here? We just come in and plug in. Please follow my method, because what I'm solving here is applicable to every other questions that are similar. That is how easy calculation in chemistry is. There's virtually really no much questions like that. So what they do is that they shuffle things. So let's go. Percentage by mass here we have here was 20 multiplied by density. Just use that, don't convert anything. Shortcut 1.03 times 10 over the molar mass of the ethylene glycol is 62. And we will come in to plug in these values here. Your answer just jump out and you are good to go. The answer become, please take note. The answer becomes 3.32 mole per dm cube. You see, this is the unit, molar concentration. So the number 1 question is gone. We move straight away to number 2. Please take note of this short. Molarity is equal to percentage by mass of the substance, of the compound, of the compound multiplied by 10 multiplied by density over molar mass. That's also the number 2. Let's move straight away to number 2. Number 2 is also very, very simple under molarity. Still, question says, what mass of triethyl nitrate 5 acid, which is nitric acid, is contained in 350 ml of 0.3 molar concentration of the acid? Simple. Bring out what you are giving. The mass is what I'm looking for. I was giving the volume to be 350 ml. I was giving the concentration, which is the molar concentration, to be 0.3 molar. And take note, the formula that we use, shortcut that we use, normally it is concentration is equal to mass over molar mass multiplied by 1000 over volume. We use this formula when the volume given to us is in mil. But if the volume given to us is in the appropriate unit, which is in dm cube or in liter, There's no need for you to put this 1000 here. It will not be times 1 over volume. Very simple. But in this question right now, we were asked to look for our mass. Remember the molar mass. So the molar mass of nitric acid here, of the nitric acid, is 1 plus 14, which is the related atomic mass. Most times you are not given, you should know their standard. Hydrogen is 1, nitrogen is 14, oxygen is 16, multiplied by this 3 here, give me 63 grams per mole. Please take note. To get, in case you do not know how we get from molar mass, please go and practice it. It's very, very simple. So what do we do next? We make mass the formula subject. So C is equal to 1000 m over mv. So here is over 1. So permit me to roll off this part here while we move ahead straight away. So I come here. So here becomes C times the molar mass times V over 1000 m. I'm looking for my m now become CMV over 1000. For those of us who are very, very good in mathematical calculation, we just go straight. You know what to do. So I try to break it down for everyone so that even an O-level student can find it very, very important. So the concentration here is 0.3 multiplied by the molar mass is 63, volume is 350 divided by 1000. So when we come here, 0.3 multiplied by 63 multiplied by 350 over 1000, then the final answer should be 6.615 grams. Final answer. Very, very easy. Is that clear? So we move straight away to the last question, which is number 6. Please take note. Follow my procedure. Then get my bazooka summary. It is very, very important. So you can get more relevant questions that will help you. It is not enough to watch my YouTube video. It is a guide. So that when you go practice, the ones that you are able to do, you can as well send it on the comment section. I will see it and I will reply and help you out with it. So let's continue. Now the next one is number 3 which is number 6 rather. The question says calculate the molality of a solution containing 3.89 gram glycerol in 75 ml ethanol. Normally, the formula for molality, which is used as small letter of molality, is equal to number of moles of solute over kilogram of solvent. You get a kilogram of solvent. Apart from we saying kilogram, it can also be in like a dm cube, because this question now involves meal. So normally we ought to convert this meal to dm cube. So what do we do here? Please follow. Follow. It is not difficult at all. So what do we do? Simple. Now, molality, small letter m, is equal to mass of the solute over the molar mass multiplied by 1000 over the mass of the solvent, which in this case now is now the 75 ml here. So we come here to now say the mass here is 3.89 over the molar mass of glycerol, which is molar mass of glycerol, that's 12 times 3, carbon is 12, 3, as 1 times 8, then 16 times 3 should give me 92 grams per mole. That's what it should be. So here becomes 92 multiplied by 1000 over the mass of the solvent that is taken to be 75. If we were given, because normally we're always giving like grams under molarity. I mean, they'll just say 75 grams or 75, so it's the same thing as the mil, or CMQ. So you will not be confused. We come here to say, all right, that's 3.89 over 92 multiplied by 1000 over 75. The final answer is 0.56